Hey, I'm Bryson with Trick Tools. I want to show you guys a deeper look into our universal mounting system that we have to be able to keep your shop organized. So, for starters, we have our vise and grinder mount plate, which makes it real easy to mount a number of different grinders, bench grinders, and different vices, sort of what you see here with this Wilton vise. So, we have that with the bench mount option that you also see with these back here. And we do have a wall mount option. So this is the wall mount. Obviously make it bolt to a post in your shop, or obviously somewhere sturdy on the wall. You can mount it on the side of a bench, even if you wanted to that way. And then what we have here is our swivel mount. So you loosen this handle, and then the block in here rotates around different angles to give you the ability to, depending on what tool you have on it, to turn it different directions. So with this, we have a couple of different blocks that go into it. So this is the universal mounting block that is also in here, and this accepts the universal mounting plate. So this plate here is what you see on this Roper Whitney punch, and also the Beverly shear on the other side here. It has a number of different mounting hole options in this universal plate, a couple of different Roper Whitney punches, every size of the Beverly shear, the throatless shear, as well as their slitting shear, and then a few other mounting options on that. And then if you find that you need some other things, you can drill your own holes in it. So this other mounting block here goes on the Bailey TN250 tubing notcher. And then this block here bolts onto this Buildpro plate, which then gives you the ability to have a little bit of a fixturing table set up that you can use some Buildpro clamps on and that sort of thing. So this system is extremely universal. It gives you the ability to easily slide tools in and out of these mounts. So you pull the pin out, loosen these bolts, you can slide it out. If you have another one of these bolted to another tool, you can slide it right in, or you can just have the mounting block set up on here where you can slide this out, slide your next mounting block right in there. So the cool thing about these, like I said, is that you can have that handle loose. You can rotate these different directions depending on where you have it mounted in your shop. If you're up against a wall near something else, say you've got a long piece of metal that's going to hang out this way and you've got something over here, you can rotate it around however to give yourself the room that you need. So for more information on our universal mounting systems, the swivel plates, or even the vise and grinder mounts, give us a call. Visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high-performance tools for the fabricator.